One of the challenges limiting crop production is soil fertility. Most of the times we apply manure, we apply synthetic fertilizers to our soils without knowing the status of our soils. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way that you can tell the status of your soil using this simple gadget that I'm going to explain today. Come, let us learn together. My name is Eunice Karanja, the farmer's friend. Here, I showcase simple solutions that can help us grow more food, access better markets as we take care of our environment. So, let us see, how do you do soil testing yourself? This is a do-it-yourself technology that we are showcasing. So in today's video, we are seeing how we can use a simple tool here that is a simple soil tester. You can call it a soil detector. That has got, it is simple, it has got this soil testing prongs, and it has got a US cable, a Type-C US cable. And then you have your mobile phone. So the first thing that you need to do is to identify the area that you want to do your soil testing. So this test works well in a 10 by 10 area. So for each 10 by 10 area, it is recommended that you take one sample. If you have got a huge piece of land, then you can demarcate your plot into many 10 by 10 plots. And this tester will help you get the analysis. So once you've demarcated the area you want to do your soil analysis, you get your mobile phone and this kit here. So what you do, it is very simple and straightforward. So these are your prongs. You insert them in the soil, just like that. And then you get this cable. We said it's a Type-C cable. You insert it in your phone, like that. It will take less than a minute for the readings to pop up. And there you go. The readings have popped up. So we've seen the soil temperature, like in this soil that we are doing the test here. We see the soil temperature is at 31 degrees. Then the moisture content, it gives the moisture content in percentage. And we see the moisture content in this soil here is 16.9%. Then it is showing us also the conductivity of the soil. That is how alkaline, or the amount of salts that are in the soil. And we see here it is at 40. Then it is also showing us the pH. The pH is the alkalinity or the acidity of the soil. And our soil here is near neutral. It's at 6.9. Then it is showing us the nitrogen, showing us the sodium, the potassium, and the average fertility in milligram per kg. And our soil fertility here is at 22. So this is a preliminary test that we can do, and it will help us understand the fertility of the soil. I especially like when it's showing us the pH, because if our soils are acidic, then it will hinder crop production. You will apply your manure, you will apply your fertilizer, but it will not be available to the soil if your soil is acidic. So with this simple test, you are at least able to get some preliminary result, and especially the soil pH, that will help you in crop production. If you feel that this test is not sufficient, it is recommended that you take your soil sample to an elaborate laboratory that can give you a further detailed test. You will be able to increase crop production using this simple technology. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next episode, do not forget to subscribe so that you keep learning these simple technologies that we can use to increase crop production. Stay blessed.